Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL 405 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this phone. First you have to open your phone dialer. Then go to keypad and let's start with the shortest code. It is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information. So once you want to check either email or serial number, smoothly enter this code and it is displayed. Tap on OK then. Another code that you can use is *pound 5 pound *. And here you've got the calendar info. So under this code you can find all upcoming events that you have. So you'll stay up to date every time you enter this code. You will not forget about anything. Then let me go back. And then the last code that I would like to share with you today is *pound 46 pound *. And here you've got FCL diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. And once you want to get a bit more knowledge, tap on more icon and select advanced view. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.